Welcome to White Hat Ways. In this video, we'll be learning about the message extensions. Message extensions, like any other extensions, are appended along with the Google Ads. They allow the advertiser to receive messages directly into his message inbox, which is present in his mobile phone. So when somebody clicks on this message extension, he would be able to directly maybe book an appointment, maybe ask for an information, get a code, or request for a service. So message extensions are very helpful in directly getting in touch with the advertiser and landing up into his mobile phone, in his inbox, and directly talking to the advertiser. And for the advertiser also, they are very helpful. Why? Because they are able to get in touch with the customer directly and he can resolve their issues, and thereby solving their inquiries, he can get them into the conversion stage. Now, while at this time of setting up these message extensions, the advertiser has to specify the business name. Apart from that, he would also set the phone number on which he would like to receive the messages. So it is going to be his phone number which he will be specifying to Google Ads while at the time of making the message extensions, that this is going to be the number on which I would like to receive the messages from this message extension, which will be obviously the messages from the potential customer's side. Thirdly, he would also need to set the extension text. Extension text is the text of this message extension which will be seen by the prospective buyers, onto which somebody would click, and then he would get to message the advertiser. So this is the first message which will be appearing as a message extension on the search engine results page, onto which somebody would click. So this will be a clickable message. Lastly, the advertiser would also set up the message text. This is going to be the text which will appear after the user clicks on the extension text. So when he clicks on the extension text, this is going to be the first text that will appear to the user, and it will be actually from the user side, it will be actually from the buyer side, it will not be from the advertiser side, though it is being set by the advertiser, so that the conversation is very specific. It is not an elongated conversation, so that the conversation starts from a specific note. So though the advertiser is setting up the message text, it is actually coming from the customer side, and it can be a message like, I would like to book an appointment, maybe I would like to get a quote, maybe it's going to be very specific, so that the conversation is not prolonged, so that the conversation is to the point. So now let's get on to the campaign and see how would we set up the message extensions. So under bidding, there is ad extensions. Under ad extensions, you will find message extensions. If ever you don't see the message extensions coming here on the first screen itself, you can click over here and find message extensions coming over here. You will just need to click on this plus sign and you will get the message extension thereby. Now in my case, it is coming on the first screen, so I'll just click here. Message extension, as you see, has opened up. I'll go down and I will click on new message extension. Now it is asking me the country code. So in my case it is India, so I'll just choose India. Here comes India. Now it is asking me for the phone number. This is going to be the phone number on which I would be receiving the customer's text. So I will mention this is the number on which I need to receive the messages from the prospective customers. Now it is asking me for the business name, so I will write White Hat Ways. Now as you can see, it is automatically populating extension text as send us a text for more information. This is going to be appearing on the ad itself, onto which somebody would click and then land up into the inbox, wherein the first message that will be appearing would be the default customer message. So this is the message that will be appearing as the first message, and this will be appearing from the prospective buyer side. However, the advertiser, as you can see, is setting it. So in case you wish to change, you can change the extension text, you can also change the default customer text. However, in my case, let it be this only. Let's proceed ahead. So now I will click on advanced options. And as you can see, there are start dates and end dates. In case you do not wish to set up the start dates and end dates, you can go ahead and leave it at none. Otherwise, you can set up the start dates and the end dates. You can just set up the start date and end date like this. This is the same as call extensions, as we had earlier seen in call extensions as well. You get this opportunity to set up the start date and the end date. Then comes the days and hours. So in case you want these ad extensions to come on the weekdays, then you can set up the weekdays, and then you can also specify the hours, from which hour till which hour do you want them to be appearing. So maybe from 12 till 12. And finally, I would just click on save. So with this, we end up this session on message extensions. As you can see, the message extension would look like this, and this is going to be the extension text. Got questions? Send us a text. This is the extension text, and eventually once somebody clicks on this extension text, he would land up into the message box. Over there, this would appear as the first message, and this is going to be the message text, which is, "Hi, I am interested in a reservation, please text me back." So this is the message that has been set by the advertiser. However, it is appearing in the inbox of the advertiser as well as the buyer as a text from the buyer's end. So with this, we end up this session. Please go ahead and subscribe to White Hat Ways. Thanks a lot.